There are some lawyers who are really good on TV, and there are some lawyers who are really good in the courtroom. And then there's like the, unicorn named Mark O'Mara, who's good at both, which is why he's on with me now. He's a criminal defense attorney, civil rights attorney, and probably one of the smarter people I've ever worked with. So I'm going to ask you, what is the net effect of Chad Daybell's lawyer sitting in basically got a front row seat to this entire process? So what does it mean? What's it going to mean for Chad Daybell's upcoming trial in a year?
So in one sense, Ash, it gives them a preview of everything the state is going to argue, everything they're going to present, every piece of evidence. So one way to look at it from a pure defense perspective is it's great. They get to see what's coming and best plan for it. So in that sense, I love it when another co-defendant goes first because I get to see the state's best case. The other side,
more so than the discovery, right? Yeah. Like you get more than just discovery. You get attitude. You get strategy, direction, like the whole narrative, right? But what about like Chad's is death penalty, Lori's was not. Does that change anything here?
Well, it does change it. I mean, obviously the stakes are much higher. There's much more on the table for Chad to lose. But the reality is the state's not offering him anything. They're sort of set with what they've already got their convictions on the mom. They're going to go after Chad. And seemingly the convictions look like they're looming because the evidence was so strong in the first case. And quite honestly, the best thing that they could do at this point is hope to avoid the death penalty. That's what we all try and do in a death penalty case, at least get that life sentence. And that may be their focus.
What if he, and I'm not saying he will, but what if he sort of sees the writing on the wall and thinks, man, the evidence in Lori's trial really pointed more at me than it did at her, and they still, sent her down the tube. You said the state's not offering. We don't know that they are or they aren't, but at this point, it doesn't look like it. What if he went to the state? Could they ultimately look at this and say, this is an expensive process for these people? And this is Idaho. We don't have a huge taxpayer base. Could they change their minds even though they have a slam dunk and accept a plea?
Yes, they can. And the defense team needs to look into that. Look, we all do what's called damage control. We look at a case, assess the risk and the benefit analysis, and decide what to do. And Chad Daybell has got to be looking at this and saying the best that the Lori's defense team put on, she got convicted of everything. He's got that and then some. If he truly wants to live out his days without getting executed, then they could be reaching out to the state to say, we're done. We'll take the life sentence and move on. Save a lot of money for Idaho, save a lot of time, a lot of trouble, and just move the case forward. And we as defense attorneys have to look at those options.
Yeah, I got one last question. That is, what if you have an intransigent client who thinks he's Jesus and has been able to hoodwink so many people as a Bengali cult leader, and he's just not going to listen? I guess you just do what you got to do and just make sure you write down your billable hours?
Well, we always know, and Ashleigh and I have talked about it, the client is always the worst witness, and usually they're also the worst strategist. But if he wants his day in court, then we are gladiators, and he will get his day in court, even though it may not be in his own best interest.
This is why I call you Mark O'Mara, because like I said, you're great in the courtroom and you're great on television, making it make sense for the people like me out here who are desperate. Thank you so much.
Great to see you, Ash.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.